So now I'm going to make a white bean soup. Pan on. A little bit of oil. I'm not using any butter. Get the pan hot. I've got 1.5 onions this time. Again, I've peeled it already. Cut it half. And then we'll just, like so. Incision through the middle. Cut down. Nice roughly chopped. Like so. Okay, down. Through the incision. Cut down. Keep an eye on the pan, we don't want it to get too hot. Let's just cut that off slightly. Okay. Down. Hello. Cut through. Okay. And one more. Down twice. Incision in the middle. And down. Okay. Let's just see how the pan's doing. Yeah, that's hot. I'll just take the pan off the heat because it is pretty hot. So we'll do it off the heat, then I'll put it back on again. Okay. Okay, back on, that'll come up really quickly. I've also got a couple of pieces of cloves of garlic that I've peeled already. Just going to slice those in, like so. Get those in the pot. A little bit of salt. Get your spoon. And we're just going to sweat the onions off now for a few minutes in the pot. See that one? We don't want them burnt and too colourful. I want to try and keep the colour less dark. Okay, I'll give that a couple of minutes. So I've got my butter beans here. These are white beans, butter beans. I'm just taking them out of the tin. I washed them off. But what I'm also going to do is I also want to add a little bit of thyme. Can you see that one? Smell of thyme, I don't know. So we just run our fingers down. The little flowers will come off, and then just okay, off the stalk. Drop them in the soup. We'll drop them in the onions, get it stirred. So I've got another bit here, thyme. Take that off, run the fingers down that. Okay. Drop them in there. Keep it going. You don't want to burn the soup. Or burn the onions. Okay. So they're trying to looking quite translucent now. I don't know if you can see the translucency on it. Now I've got the butter beans. That's 2 tins. And I'm just going to add that much. So look at that. Maybe a few more. But that's it. Okay. I'm going to add a little bit more salt. I'm going to add a little bit of pepper. That was white pepper. Good. Okay. So this is another really simple soup using the basic cooking methods. It's also going to be a vegan soup and gluten free. So now I'm just going to add about 500 millilitres of water. I've got a little bit of stock. I'm adding that. A little bit of stock cube. Now we want some hot water. So yeah, I've got 500 millilitres of water. As you can see, they're cooking along nicely. And then I'm just going to tip the water in. Just cover them. That's about that's just covering. How much was that? That was around 300, a little bit more. So I used about 400 millilitres of warm water. Got a little bit of stock in there. If you have a look, you see that? now. Okay, just going to boil that for about 10-15 minutes, and then I'll come back when everything's cooked and we'll finish the soup off. Okay. So, butter beans soup. It's been on there boiling away now for about 15 minutes, and now we're just going to finish the soup off. So this. Right, so can you have a quick look there? You see that? It's cooking away. Vegetables are all nice and soft now. For about 15 minutes. What am I going to do actually? Let's do this again. Oh, I'm going to put all the soup in here because it seems to be a lot safer for bullets. So stick blender. Inside, start it off slowly. Pulse it, turn it up. Be very careful because the soup is very, very hot. And we don't want to splash it over our arms because we'll burn ourselves. Okay, that has pureed that really well, really quickly. Oh yeah. Okay, let's just have a quick taste. You can taste the thyme. I've got the butter beans, but I think the butter beans get a little bit more seasoning. So let's put a bit more salt in there. See that? Okay. No, you could see a little bit. Yep. Butter bean, thyme. You can really, the thyme really brings out the flavour there. Okay, I'm not going to add any cream. I haven't used any butter, so again, this is the vegan soup. If you want to finish it off with a little bit of cream, we can do that. And I'll probably do that later on, another one. Okay, let's just get that rid of that. Okay, so now, I'm just going to put this into my bowl, my butter bean soup in my butter bean bowl. Again, I'm not going to pass this one because it looks, do I pass it? Don't I pass it? Do you know what? It is so smooth, I don't think this one needs passing. So let's just straight in there. Got those little bits of thyme. Looks okay. Do you know what? I'm just going to leave that one just like that. I'm not going to play around with it too much. So there you have it. Butter bean and thyme soup. Puree soup. This is another vegan soup, no butter, no cream, and remember it's all